particular video, I will tell you about a particular project that has been on for quite some time now, but I've been doing my research on it, and I think I'm now convinced that this particular project will actually do well. And as you can see, I'm talking nothing less than this is VeryChat airdrop, and you can see this is my invitation code. So in this particular video, I'll be showing you step by step on how you'll be able to start. So if I haven't started, I tell you that you should watch this particular video so that you'll be able to start the particular project. And we are still very early in this particular project, and I'll be dropping my referral link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. Don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so that you get notified when I upload any other new video like this. I'm about to join my WhatsApp community. It is free of charge for you to know more about every cryptocurrency that I've been doing. And to learn more about cryptocurrency, I'll be dropping the link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. So I'll have to tap on this particular download and I'll receive 100 VeryChat token. So let me wait for it to get installed. So now I'm about to start. The app have actually been downloaded and be installed on my. So I have to sign up. Let me quickly sign up. Actually sign up with one of my email account, and you can see say welcome to VeryChat. Please create an handle using uppercase and lowercase numbers within 4 to 15 characters. Let me quickly do that now. So you can see now it says you want to register as crypto one. Once you register, you can't change your ID. So I'll tap on register. You say you are registered as crypto one. Please choose a nickname you and social currency. So I've done that. Then let me tap on register. Look at it, all agree. I agree to the terms and conditions. I agree to privacy policy. I agree to receive marketing communication. Then I'll tap on agree. I will allow it to load, and after that I will be waiting for the next prompt that will be coming for me. So now you can see it says shall we learn about VeryChat man. Let me just do this because my last token is very composed. Let me say complete and get 10 VeryChat. So let me quickly do all this so I will be able to gain more VeryChat token. You can see now, you see now they have given me, I followed the learning phase and I've been given 10 VeryChat token. So let me tap on confirm. You can see now what I was talking about this particular airdrop, that I think you see I've been getting 10 very chat token. Now you can see it say credit market. That means very soon now you'll be able to use your very chat token to buy. I think they are building a marketplace where you'll be able to use your very chat token to buy certain things. Now you could see it now, the Apple iPad Pro, the Apple AirPod, and these are a lot of things which you'll be able to do with this particular very token. So this is the home interface I'm in currently. Now you can do a lot of things. You can create a chat. This very chat is just like a web3 social media interface, just like TikTok that just build their web3 encrypted where you can chat with your fellow individuals. So I can just come here, maybe I'll create another video for that, where I can just create my own user this thing where I'll be able to chat with my friends and family. These are channels where you'll be able to get latest information. So yeah, now it talks about my money. See, it say press the button to start mining VeryChat. So now I will explain everything. So now let me tap okay to start mining now. So I have to come back, don't allowed. Let me tap on this dot allow. So now I have to come back in the next 11. It's actually based on 12 hours. That means you have to mine twice in a day now. So you can just come to this particular boost, rain, and lucky box. It all has to do with everything. So you can just watch ads here and earn more points. So I've done that. So the time is actually counting because once you do one of those things, it applies to all. You say boost apply from level 3 plus. Now you see I'm in level 1 crypto 1. Invite friends. Currently mining power is 1 time. So I'll be doing another video to explain everything, and also it also counts for your steps. Every step you take also actually counts. Let me come to envelope aspect. Say give 300 very chat to a friends and crypto one will receive 300 so I'll be sharing my link with every one of us so that you'll be able to get started too. You can come here now to read about the white paper for you to be able to know all. So let me say I want to give 300. So if you're able to register, I'll be giving you 300 very chat token. Let me just put my referral link somewhere that will be able to copy it and I'll be able to send. So don't forget to just use that particular link that will be sending to you. So I have it now. So I'll be onboarding a lot of people now. You can see say invite 6 friends and get mining boosts, meaning the number of person you're able to invite, the higher the number of boosts I'll be able to get along the way. This is the last but not the least. I have to actually you have to do attendance check on a daily basis here on the home page here. So you'll be able to get some certain points. So this is my day one now, attendance check. So you don't have to miss it. Enable notifications. So you can see now that the first day attendance have been checked, then you can earn more by the number of steps you're able to take on a daily basis. So this is all I have for you. This is always helpful. Please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so you're going to enter upload any other new video. Thank you and bye bye for now.